To write the Lewis structure for NH4Cl ammonium chloride, we need to realize that it's kind of a special compound. So if you put ammonium chloride in water, it'll dissolve. And it'll dissolve into two things. NH4, which has a plus charge, and Cl minus, which is negative. So we have the ammonium ion, that NH4 plus, and the Cl minus. When the water evaporates, it'll go back to the salt, and the positive and the negative they'll attract, and that'll form ammonium chloride. Because we have this positive and negative, this is an ionic compound even though we don't have any metals. So if you're asked to draw the Lewis structure, we need to do a few things. Let's first draw the Lewis structure for NH4 and then put it with that chloride ion, that Cl minus. So nitrogen is in group 15, sometimes called 5A. That has 5 valence electrons. And then hydrogen, it's in group 1. It has 1 valence electron. We have these 4 of them. So we're going to multiply this times 4. And this positive here, that means we've lost an electron. When we lose an electron, which is a negative, we become positive. So we have to subtract 1 from that. 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 1. So we have 8 valence electrons for this NH4 plus, the ammonium ion. So we'll put our nitrogen in the middle of the Lewis structure, and then we'll put hydrogens around it. Next, we'll put a pair of electrons between each of the atoms to form a chemical bond. We only have 8, so here's 2, 4, 6, and then 8. So actually it worked out really well. The nitrogen, it has 8 valence electrons, and then the hydrogens, they only need 2, so they have their outer shells full. So that's the ammonium ion. We need to do one last thing though. We need to show it's an ion with a plus charge, so we'll put brackets around it. And then we'll put a plus sign outside of the bracket. So that's the Lewis structure for the ammonium ion, the NH4 plus. Now what will happen is the chlorine, because it's negative, it's going to be attracted to that and it'll form that ionic bond. So let's put our chlorine down there, put brackets around it and a negative sign to show that these two are attracted and have formed a bond. So that's the Lewis structure for NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. I'll put the NH4 plus and Cl minus back together at the top, and we're done. So we have this covalent bond here, this polyatomic ion, the ammonium ion, and then we have the chlorine coming together, and because we have the plus and minus, it's an ionic bond overall, but with inside the NH4 plus, this is covalent. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for NH4Cl, the ammonium ion, and thanks for watching.